Hello, I am Teacher Riza. I am here because I love to give you problem-solving tutorials. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on my videos. In this video, we will identify the atoms that tend to lose or gain electrons, classify atoms whether cations or anions, identify the group number to which atoms belong, give the valence electrons of an atom based on its group number, and write formula of the ion. Let us remember that the valence electrons are the electrons found in the outermost shell of an atom. These are the electrons that are lost or gained in the process of forming ions. The valence electron of an atom is reflected in its group number. Hence, manganese, which belongs to group 2A, has 2 valence electrons, and nitrogen belongs to group 5A, has 5 valence electrons. Electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract electrons. The higher the electronegativity value of an atom, the higher is its ability to attract electrons. In period 2 of the periodic table, fluorine is located at the rightmost part of the row. Hence, fluorine has the highest electronegativity value, and it is the atom that is most likely to attract electrons. Thus, it has the highest tendency to gain electrons and become negatively charged. Generally, nonmetals are the ones that tend to gain electrons and become negatively charged ions. They are called anions. Ionization energy is the energy required to pull or remove electrons from an atom. The lower the ionization energy value of an atom, the easier it is to remove an electron from such an atom. In period 2 of the periodic table, lithium is located in the leftmost part of the row and is the element having the lowest ionization energy. Thus, it has the highest tendency to lose electrons and become positively charged. Generally, metals are the ones that tend to lose electrons and become positively charged ions. They are called cations. Alright, let's do the activities. Activity number 1. Look up the following elements in the periodic table and see whether they tend to lose electrons and become cations or gain electrons and become anions. Chlorine. It is a non-metal. It gains electrons and it is an ion. Sodium. It is a metal. It loses electrons. It is cation. Nitrogen. It is non-metal. It gains electrons. It is an ion. Calcium. It is metal. It loses electrons. It is cation. Iron. It is a metal. It loses electron. It is cation. Platinum. It is metal. It loses electrons. It is cation. Carbon. It is non-metal. It gains electrons. It is an ion. Boron. It is non-metal. It gains electrons. It is an ion. Sulfur. It is non-metal. It gains electrons. It is an ion. Magnesium. It is metal. It loses electrons. It is cation. Activity number 2. Based from the periodic table, determine the group number of the elements enumerated. Radium, group 2A. Oxygen, group 6A. Silicon, group 4A. Potassium, group 1A. Bromine, group 7A. Aluminum, group 3A. Phosphorus, group 5A. Nickel, group 2A. Lithium, group 1A. Gold, group 2A. Activity number 3. Use the periodic table to give the valence electron of the given atom. Remember, the group number in the periodic table gives the number of electrons in its outermost shell or the valence shell. Thus, it is called as the valence electron. Let's begin. Silver, 2 valence electrons. Sulfur, 6 valence electrons. Copper, 2 valence electrons. Fluorine, 7 valence electrons. Gallium, 3 valence electrons. Iodine, 7 valence electrons. Manganese, 2 valence electrons. Lead, 4 valence electrons. Francium, 1 valence electron. Nitrogen, 5 valence electrons. Activity number 4. Write the name and symbol of the ion formed. Take note, when writing the symbol of an ion, the 1 or 2 letter element symbol is written first, followed by superscript. The superscript has the number of charges on the ion, followed by a positive sign for the positive ions or cations, or negative sign for negative ions or anions. Neutral atoms have a charge of 0, so no superscript is given. Now let's begin. Let us always remember that atoms tend to gain or lose electrons in order to attain stability. Atoms become stable when their outermost shell or valence shell contains 8 electrons, which satisfies the octet rule. Now let's come to check your answers. Arsenic belongs to group 5A. It is non-metal. Arsenic needs to gain 3 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of arsenic is capital A, small s, superscript 3, negative. Radium belongs to group 2A. It is metal. Radium needs to lose 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of radium is capital R, small a, superscript 2, positive. Barium belongs to group 2A. It is metal. Barium needs to lose 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of barium is capital B, small a, superscript 2, positive. Iron belongs to group 2A. It is metal. Iron needs to lose 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of iron is capital F, small e, superscript 2, positive. Chlorine belongs to group 7A. It is non-metal. Chlorine needs to gain 1 electron in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of chlorine is capital C, small l, negative. But why there is no number of charges in chlorine ion? As what I've mentioned earlier, chlorine belongs to group 7A and it is non-metal. Therefore, it gains 1 electron. If the electron gain is only 1, 1 is omitted. So the charge on a chlorine ion would be written as capital C, small l, negative. Zinc belongs to group 2A. It is metal. Zinc needs to lose 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of zinc is capital Z, small n, superscript 2, positive. Carbon belongs to group 4A. It is non-metal. Carbon needs to gain 4 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of carbon is capital C, superscript 4, negative. Oxygen belongs to group 6A. It is non-metal. Oxygen needs to gain 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of oxygen is capital O, superscript 2, negative. Calcium belongs to group 2A. It is metal. Calcium needs to lose 2 electrons in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of calcium is capital C, small a, superscript 2, positive. Sodium belongs to group 1A. It is metal. Sodium needs to lose 1 electron in order to be stable. Thus, the ion formula of sodium is capital N, small a, positive. Just like chlorine ion, sodium ion has no number of charges because sodium belongs to group 1A and it is metal. It loses 1 electron. If the electron loss is only 1, 1 is omitted. So, the charge on a sodium ion would be written as capital N, small a, positive. Yes, we've completed all the activities. I hope everything is clear to you, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. Until next time, have a great day, everyone!